Hi, this is Tanushree. I am doing digital journaling since years right now, and today I'm gonna kind of show you the books that I got yesterday. My friend Amrita gave me her old books. Actually, क्या है अमृता अभी हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए बाहर निकल रही है तो राइट नाउ ऐसे जो जो बुक्स ऐसे घर में पड़े हुए हैं वो अभी कोई पढ़ नहीं रहा है सो शी इज़ लाइक वांटिंग टू गिव समवन हु कैन यूज़ इट तो उसने मुझे बोला कि तो লাগবে বই তোর কোন ধরনের বই লাগে like what is your taste, what you like, what you don't like, and I just said yeah, these are the books. And then Amrita, like this you can see what's written, young Bengal society, এটা পুরো ইয়াং বেঙ্গল সোসাইটি যে একটা কি বলে এটাকে bag. In this bag, Amrita, like she actually bought a lot of books, and she told it on spot in the classroom of college. I'm an ex-student of GMGC Gokhale Memorial Girls College, but she told that তুই এখানেই দেখে নিতে পারিস that what kind of books I have bought, you can see it from here. I said I will go back to him and then I will have a look at it. And after I came back home, I was just mesmerized. I was just shocked. I was elated. I was surprised. I was overwhelmed. I was like looking at these books, like part by part in order. She did put it up, and it was so overwhelming that I had to put a Instagram पोस्ट ऑन इंस्टा स्टोरी. तो इंस्टा स्टोरी के बाद वो ऑब्वियसली इधर यूट्यूब पे भी दिया है. आज सुबह आज कुछ देर पहले ही दिया है मैंने. बट आई एम एक्चुअली शोइंग यू द थिंग दैट वो जो बुक्स अमृता ने मुझे दिया है कल, जब मैंने आहिस्ते आहिस्ते जब नींद बहुत टायर्ड हो गई थी तो 7 साढ़े 7 बजे सो गई. तो 11 बजे या 1 बजे मैंने जब उसका बुक्स देखा तो मुझे लगा वाओ कितना कुछ नहीं कर सकती. और मुझे आपको वो कलेक्शन दिखाना है, आपको बोलना है क्या क्या लाई हूँ मैं, क्या क्या उसने दिया है. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट अमृता ने बहुत सोच समझ के वो बुक्स दिया है. और बहुत सरप्राइजेस से पहले वो अच्छी, मतलब ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है कि मेरे को बोला अमृता ने व्हाट इज, मतलब क्या कौन सा कुर्ती पहनती है, कुर्ती कैसा है, कुर्ती का फोटो भेजना. तो मैंने भेजा. तो दिस इज द थिंग, she gave this bag and somewhere it kind of synchronized with one kurti that I have. But I love this bag. This is so soft and so beautiful to touch in real life. इतना अच्छा लगता है ना कि कोई अगर आपको सोच समझ के गिफ्ट देता है. और वो बहुत अच्छी से बोला कि बैगेर भेतरेও একটা गिफ्ट আছে দেখ स्पेशली फॉर यू. सो मैंने जब बैग खोल के देखा तो ये एक ब्यूटीफुल पेन है. तो इस पेन की खासियत बात तो यही है, दिस पोर्शन, ये काइंड ऑफ मैं अपने आर्ट जर्नलिंग सप्लाईज में लगा सकती हूँ. एंड ऑब्वियसली मुझे पेन की बहुत ज़रूरत है बिकॉज आई एम अ राइटर. एंड शी सेड यू नीड पेन्स बिकॉज यू आर अ राइटर, यू विल ऑलवेज राइट. तो आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग जर्नलिंग सो आई डू नीड पेन्स अ लॉट. तो दैट्स वाई या सो दैट्स वाई आई रियली नीड पेन्स. तो ये जो पेन दिया है अमृता ने, ये मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज ये बहुत लाइक मेरे को लगेगा इट इज़ ऑफ यूज़. And I'm gonna show you all the collection that she has given. Some of them are very important for me because as I was looking, I was feeling like there is a lot to learn from it. And by the end of the video, one thing that I'm gonna do, I will tell you, and I will tell you anyone watching this, you can also do that for yourself, but I will tell it at the end. पहले हम लोग किताब के देख लेते क्या क्या किताब थी उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. तो मेरे सामने जो पहला ये जो बंगाली किताब है, तस्लीमा नसरीनेर আমার মেয়েবেলা. तो दिस इज़ अ ऑटोबायोग्राफी और समथिंग अबाउट तस्लीमा नसरीन itself. तो इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू होल्ड दिस बुक बिकॉज सीरियसली स्पीकिंग ये जो किताब है, ये सारी किताब बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्डिनरी नहीं है, बहुत पुराना है, किसी ना किसी ने दिया है. ये शायद अमृता की माँ की है, बट ये बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि तस्लीमा नसरीन, यू कैन सी इट, लाइक शी इज़ लाइक अ डीवा, लाइक शी इज़ the OG of feminism, right? But at least knowing about her means that I would know that what is about her life. So I would love to read this, and I know. Firstly, I'm telling I have got a lot of books, and I'm not saying that in everyday life in 2 months I'm gonna complete it. I don't believe in reading very fast way because उसमें मुझे सीखने को नहीं मिलता. But even if I complete this in 2 or 20 years, I'm gonna always treasure these books because I will keep this book up by myself. ये जो सारी किताबें वो मेरे पास ही रहेंगी. मैं किसी को ये सारी किताबें नहीं दूँगी क्योंकि ये बहुत स्पेशल एंड आई ट्रेजर दीज बुक्स अ लॉट. सो थैंक यू अमृता फर्स्टली. तो ये तस्लीमा नसरीन की बुक है. देन बुक जो है मदर टेरेसा की. दिस इज़ अ बुक ऑन मदर टेरेसा. पफिन है अपोजिट ऑफ लव. ये भी मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आई एम क्वाइट इंक्लाइन टूवर्ड सोशल वर्क. I am a shelter home teacher, so obviously it is like knowing what is caring, what is caregiving, what is social service. इसके लिए मदर टेरेसा के बुक पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. उसके बाद ये जो क्लासिक्स, ये छोटे बच्चों का जो है ये स्टोरी है मेरा, ये बहुत आई कैचिंग है क्योंकि ऐसी किताब बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होती है. तो माई फादर यूज टू नेवर ब्रिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ गुड किताब. ओके, मैं बुक फेयर से एक किताब लाई हूँ पर वो पढ़ा है कहीं पे. एक्चुअली मैं यह सोच रखा है. आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू दैट इफ़ यू हैर लिविंग इन अ रूम where you have a lots of books, try to very categorize like these books that I have said. like ये सारी किताब देख के एक समय एक जगह पे उस बैग में ही जो मैंने दिखाया पहले से वहाँ पे रख दूँगी और वो रख के मेरे घर में ही रहेगा, इस रूम पे या जिस रूम में जाऊँगी, ताकि जब ज़रूरत पड़े उधर से एक एक करके किताब उठा के पढ़ के उधर ही रख दूँ और मेरे पास रहेगा. बिकॉज गोइंग बैक टू वन बुक दैट यू हैव रेड once again, learning from it is very important. हम जैसे स्कूल में करते थे ना, तो ये ज़रूरी है करने के लिए. इसी वजह से मैं लास्ट में जो करूँगी सोचा है, उसके लिए शायद ये वीडियो के बाद ही मैं घर से निकल जाऊँगी वो करने के लिए, वो लाने के लिए बोलूँगी. एंड में वो एंड तक देखो, एंड तक सस्पेंस क्रिएशन कर रही हूँ. तो ये बहुत है. ये एक विंड इन द विलोज, ये एक बच्चों का है. एंड दिस इज़ वेरी, मेरे को ये पढ़ना है. पढ़ने से ज़्यादा मुझे बहुत प्राइड है कि मेरे पास ये किताब है क्योंकि एक्सपेंसिव है, ख़रीद के नहीं देता कोई. मेरे पास अभी पैसे भी नहीं है बट सम डे होपफुली मैं यहाँ से मोनेटाइज करूँगी खुद को और तभी जब पैसे मिलेंगे या यहाँ से नहीं तो खुद कमा लूँगी. आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन माई प्रोफेशनल अलाइनमेंट टू दैट यहाँ पे जॉब मिल जाएगा, वो मिल जाएगा तो देखेंगे क्या होता है. तो जॉब जब मिल जाएगा पैसा तो मिलेगा. तो बहुत सारी ऐसी किताबें खरीदना है बिकॉज मुझे किताब से बहुत प्यार है. एंड आई एम अ राइटर, तो ऑब्वियसली आई शुड बी इन अलाइन विद द बुक्स दैट आई एम अकम्पनिंग विथ. तो वही है. तो उसके बाद दिस इज़ अ बंगाली बुक एंड दिस इज़ बेसिकली अमृता's मदर. एंड ये बुक जो है ना, मैंने इसका कंटेंट देखा, बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने खूबी हेल्पफुल. इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. इट इज़ लाइक नेमिंग मोहिश मोहिमा Mohima Dhita Nari. Basically, this is like an empowerment kind of a book because there are many kind of, like, I'm gonna say you the like Rani Rashmoniর ব্যাপারে ছিল. রানী রাসমণি, সাবিত্রী, রানী রত্নাবতী, যশোদা মাঙ্গ, মা যশোদা, শঙ্কর জননী, মানে উভয় ভারতী, মানে there are multiple women and it is written like on them. তো ইট ইজ ভেরি হেল্পফুল. যেমন জিজাবাই, বেহুলা একটা সিরিয়াল এসেছিল. তো আমরা আস্তে আস্তে ছোট স্মল রিড. ইফ আই ওয়ান্ট দেন আই ক্যান গেট ইট ফ্রম হিয়ার. অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ ভেরি রেয়ার কালেকশন. এটা সব জায়গায় পাওয়া যায় না এই বইটা. Like it is not available on every places. And you can see this, if you can see this, like there is variety of faces. So it's like a very empowering book. There is a lot of good content out here, and hopefully after reading out from here I can make good content and utilize in my poems or something, the books that I'm going to write hopefully in the future, finger crossed. So this is one thing, and then I'm going to go next back. This book is also very innovative, and I'm gonna not just innovative, this is also like a I don't know. I mean, it's just like something which I really love is this book named Reaching Womanhood. Reaching Woman. You can see the design, and this is like a very woman empowering book. It is for me. Like for example, for me as a woman, it is very essential to read this book. To be proud that I have this book because somewhere as I go along, even if I read one page of it, some of the portions will be helpful to know knowledge. It is also not a book just for easy read, it is also a read for knowledge. And this is why I will say something in the end which you have to listen. Wait for it. So yeah, this is something, and then also this small read book. This is like one of the best engaging book. This was shown by Amrita in the earlier photo thing that Amar kache Sister Nivedita boi ache. Sister Nivedita in Calcutta is very famous. It's very famous. So obviously I can end it in one or two easily I read. So আমি তো পড়তে চাইছি Sister Nivedita is something which I admire a lot. Like I think Sister Nivedita is very very famous. That's there are many schools and all these things. So to know the history of her, it is in itself a privilege. I don't know. I mean, I think can anyone have a book about Sister Cyril? I don't know. I mean, if there is a book on Sister Cyril, you please inform me. I would love to know about her because I go through a documentary and it is such an inspirational thing. Like I think I got into shelter homes because of her. So I want to know about Sister Cyril also. And these three books that is there, this is also like Vivekananda and his call to the nation, facets of Vivekananda, and teachings of Swami Vivekananda. Among these teachings of Swami Vivekananda is the most helpful because I saw the content, and in the content itself, like I'm going to take you to the content report. There is introduction. In this thing, there's Buddha, Christianity, concentration, education, গীতা মানে এই টিচিংসগুলো যেটা বিবেকানন্দ পেয়েছে like what Vivekananda learned, it is there in this book and it is very informative. I will love to read this book. These two books like এগুলো খুব আস্তে আস্তেই পড়তে হবে কারণ কি এগুলো there is so much to মানে it is so much to process, and obviously after I joined work I will not get this kind of time. Like I remember I have worked for 1 month in some place and that was like a very choxa things. I was very not getting time, but still I would make time for these. And hopefully I'll be in a healthy working environment that I give time for my growth also. And this is also a book very for information thing. I for this education purpose, and this is very crucial. This is sexual harassment in workplace or at workplace. So এই বইটা and there are small notes out here in English. Librarian had given. তো এই জিনিসটা এটা খুব ভালো, এটা বলছে না রেয়ার বুকসের মধ্যে, তো এরকম বুকসটা পাওয়া কোথায় যাবে? অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ অলসো এখানে এই জিনিসটা আছে, এটা আমি পরে একটা জার্নালে আমি লাগাতে পারবো। তো দিস ইজ অলসো সামথিং। অ্যান্ড দেন দের ইজ কালেকশন উইচ আই হ্যাভ টু টক অ্যাবাউট, and these collections are the books that I also know. Before going to the collection I'm going to talk about, but I'm going to talk about the collection first. Some of them collections that is of self-help or therapeutic kind of book, that is You Can, Inspirational Insights of Swami Abhinatananda. This is a self-help kind of a book. And also How to Remain Ever Happy. This is so beautiful. Like ekhane, like I got through it. There are some illustrations. Learn to say no. Always remain optimistic. There is so much to create here on content basis, and also to learn as a content person to bring satisfaction that okay, I have this book. Oh God, like I'm blessed that I have this book. And also that I'm telling, and then also this is something. These two books basically. Uh, Actually, there is one another book. I don't know. It is there. Yeah, this is there. I'll show it in the last. So these two books, Nobody Understands Me, Appreciating Teenager and Adolescent by S. Yamuna, and then by Neerja Sharma, Understanding Adolescence. These two books are all about adolescence. So those who know or those who doesn't know, I wrote more about subject related to adolescence. to to get awareness about adolescence kind of a thing. And also I love to know about my teenager self. I love knowing about why I did these things, why those things were overwhelmed, and XYZ. I love to know about it. So adolescence is if anyone want to talk, and this book is like a gift. The thank you. And obviously I haven't read the blurb, but reading all the blurb would also make me feel like wow. I feel glad to have these books. And the most awaited book, which I am really very appreciably happy, and I will read the blurb, is the Power of Prayer. You can see this. This is the most important book. I am taking therapy, and in therapy, this is very crucial to pray to God, to believe in God. He will make everything well. He will help people. He will heal me, and He will be there for me. That is very important. So I'm going to talk about the. I will read this one blurb that most of us are inspired to pray only at moments of emotional upheaval, when failure, success, or deep fear overwhelm us. At those times in our lives, says Swami Swahananda, something is stirred up in man's heart. Faith in a greater being or power is born, and prayer follows. Prayer is thus the deepest impulse of the soul of man. Many know prayer only as a form of petition, a plea for a desired object or state, either for oneself or for someone else. But prayer can also take other forms, says Aldous Huxley, among others. Prayer as adoration, an expression of love for God, prayer as contemplation, union with the divine. It is these higher forms of prayer that chasten us and make a mark into higher states of consciousness. This kind of prayer, brought to its culmination, is a silent standing before God, an unbroken state of union with the higher. Prayer then is no longer the activity of a supplicant relative to a greater power, but is instead a state of being, one of total identification with the higher reality. So you can understand it is such a beautiful book, and it's so beautiful to hold this book. You can see this, and this is one of the books that I'm gonna treasure. It is something very, very, very rare and unique, and I am kind of doing something prayer journal right now. I'm working and writing journals and prayers, and even yesterday while going back, and many time I pray a lot. In these days after taking therapy, I pray a lot to God. I talk a lot to God, and even when I maintain my journal, it is my God that I am answerable to. So I am happily in a very secular form of thing, but I am very much like believe in prayers a lot. I am not an atheist. So this book would really be the most important book for me from these collection. And also, I will tell you this thing. This is like a series, and this is like a series when আমি একটা একটা করে দেখাচ্ছি, like I will show you one by one. This is said the power of concentration, and then we have the power of goal setting. Then we have এটা আমার জন্য খুবই, this is very crucial for me because I am a spoken word artist. So that's the power of spoken words. Then we have the power of decision making. You can see decision making. And then I have this book, The Power of Time Management, Decision Making. And then I have like, I think decision making is given twice. Good, one book I will read, another I will kind of use it for journal. I love using everything for journal. That's the thing. Yesterday there was a bill. I was telling Memji ma'am, please give me this bill so that can use for journal. And I'm like, no, I can't. I'm very weird. So the power of decision making. Then this is very another book, that the power of positive thinking. So these are the books, and I'm glad to have this big collection. It is like 19 minutes only, and especially this pen. This pen hold a special feeling. Like she said that মানে ব্যাগটা খুলে যায় তোর জন্য কিছু সারপ্রাইজ আছে, তো পেন দিয়েছে, রাইটার মানুষ পেন দিতে হবে। she curated it. She made me feel like, okay, I need this and it would be valuable for me in the long run. And the surprise that I am telling is that now, actually, after this, at 10 o'clock, abhi 9 baj gaye. So, what is the date today? I will check the date. Wait. Yeah, it is 3rd June. So, 3rd June, Twisty, and अभी 9 बजे, 9:30 बजने जाए. So at 10 o'clock or 10:30 p.m. I will actually get outside and bring some copies, basically. Basically, what you see, where is this copy? This is the copy. You can see me. I made this journal. I made this journal for myself. So I have to make two journals. So I need two copies basically. So two copies means 6 copies I need so that I can make two journals in totality, because this journal will end soon. So I need to transition into it. So if I bring the copies today, and also I have Fevicol, so if I kind of compile all the essential material, I can utilize it by tomorrow or by day before tomorrow. That I can utilize by sooner, in a way that I can uh, make good journals, like make good journals handmade. At least for now, I need this one journal which is like knowledge journal, where I can, or like I will read all these books and then self-reflect, add information, write on it, kind of process information in such a way that it is really readable to me, like मुझे समझ आ रहा है जो pointers मुझे पता है. तो ये बोरिंग लग सकता है या अच्छा लग सकता है, अगेन द वे इट्स गोज অন আমি সেটা দেখবো যে কত কিছু করতে পারছি, কত ক্যাচ আপ, বা হাউ মাচ ইম্প্যাক্টফুলি কনসিস্টেন্ট আই বিকাম, or আমি করতে পারছি কি না. But I feel like knowledge journal is important also because after reading all these, I can utilize in the novel or the books or the poems anything that I will write in future. So to take in very serious focus and focus in creating in a very articulate and well nourished way, it's very important. And that's why I will say this to you guys also: if you are reading any book, do not throw that away, throw the knowledge away. Try to take notes, try to make journals, try to buy journals and invest your time on it, because in the process of learning, if you are educating yourself, তুমি কোথাও না কোথাও you will get success in life, because education is the key and the power to access a lot of eligibility of being the greatest. Like, there is nothing beyond education. You need to be educated first, and that is more important. That's why we keep on learning every day. So this is the thing, and this is my surprise that I was saying this is not so special. Even it was so special for me because earlier when I made this was made, I kind of tried to paint it all. What to say? I actually painted with my acrylic color. I used acrylic color and painted this. And I think now I can have two options. I can use the acrylic process, or I can also do my process of covering it up with art journal, like a journal. That is also a good process. So hopefully I will make this time, since I'm doing second time my process of making diaries. I will make it more colorful hopefully. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited for this. And anyone listening to me, you have to know that this is Tanushree. I have a channel on Listen Miss on my Instagram. I have it on Instagram mein achi, and channel is on YouTube, and I'm also on other thing which you can check it on Instagram bio. So please subscribe my channel, please be in my journey, and please support me. I love you. And yeah, next video पे फिर से मिलेंगे. Yeah, bye 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 bye.